Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh my god.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Holy f, what the f just happened?
Right in front of a car. Good job.
What the f?
Golly. Oh shit! No! Yo! Yo! A boat hit the bridge? Oh shit! Couldn't sleep. What the hell? A boat hit the bridge. You just hit me. Stop! You just hit me! Oh, right here. Back it up, the bridge broke! The bridge broke! The bridge broke! What? Yeah. Oh, shit. Stop, stop, stop! I can't go nowhere.
Oh my god!
Damn.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow, that was a dumb move.
Oh my gosh, dude!
That was a real dumb move. Hold on, wait, let me save that one.
God.
I'm driving a Tesla Model Y here. It's on full self-driving mode, also known as FSD, so everything is being recorded from multiple angles. There's a car ahead slowing near the light, but it's still green, so traffic is moving normally. As I go through the intersection, the light turns yellow. I maintain speed and continue through, nothing unusual. Now watch the officer behind me. He goes through the same light and then accelerates to catch up. There's no speeding here, and I'm maintaining a normal following distance. The officer signals for me to pull over, so I do. I pull over safely and come to a stop. He comes up and says I was speeding and following too closely. He's yelling at me here. I told him to stop yelling because I had my toddler in the back and I was just taking my kid to daycare. My lawyer showed this footage to the prosecutor and the case was dismissed right away.
What the?
No antibiotics, no added hormones. Also, when you start your plan, you'll get to choose a free meat that'll be included with every order at no additional cost. And with code Mike, you get $25 off your first order. That's free meat with every order and 25.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.